Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this fraction 6 divided by 3 over 3 divided by 6. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. We can write parentheses 6 divided by 3 divided by parentheses 3 divided by 6. The numerator divided by denominator. And now, according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we do these parentheses. Inside these parentheses, 6 divided by 3, which equals 2. So this is equal to just 2. And let's recopy this. Divided by parentheses 3 divided by 6. And now we have this division and these parentheses. According to the PEMDAS, first we have to do these parentheses. 3 divided by 6, which equals 1/2. So we have 2 divided by 1/2. This is equal to 1/2. Okay? And now, according to the KCF rule, KCF, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, which equals 2 over 1, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Okay, so we can write 2 times just 2. And this is equal to 4. So our final answer to this problem is just 4.